continuous tube welding process in 1926 and has remained an industry leader with developments in forming and welding technology over the last 100 years. In the mid-1990s, CO2 laser welding was introduced to the tube mill world. The metallurgical benefits of the laser welding were uncontested, but the biggest downsides were consistent, low-maintenance beam delivery systems, laser generation maintenance costs, and initial capital costs of the laser itself. Now, with the latest laser technology, solid-state fiber lasers practically eliminate the downsides from the early CO2 lasers. Solid-state fiber lasers are 30 to 40% more efficient from electrical wall plug to operation, and they are roughly 10% less expensive initially from a capital investment standpoint. The lower initial investment, coupled with the elimination of consumables like electrodes, are why many companies are adopting fiber laser systems for traditionally TIG-welded applications. Solid-state fiber lasers combined with tried-and-true Yoder tube mill technology benefits the users of the Yoder stainless laser mill in so many ways. Robust design. 80% of wear items and mill components can get to you next day to keep your Yoder mills up and running. Common components allow us to quickly turn around new mill assemblies for additional ref sets or to add capacity to existing mills. Edge preparation. Yoder's edge brush deburring unit ensures consistent, clean strip edges for proper edge presentation to the fusion weld area. When the brush deburr process is not enough, Yoder also offers ultrasonic and skiving type strip preparation equipment. Forming stands and idlers. Rugged precision double tapered roller bearings ensure long life and minimal shaft runout. Minimizing shaft runout provides a greater strip thickness range on a single machine for production of precision and specialty tubing. Single point adjustment. Yoder's single point adjustment is a true zero backlash design for repeatable setups from one tool set to the next, and accurate adjustment for material thickness. The digital readout provides the true position to verify the gap setting of the rolls for the material thickness, with no guesswork or wasted time for the operator. Weld Box. The rolls provide the flow of the material to the fusion source, while the shoes hold the liquid weld pool until solidification. Roll diameters and center distances are designed based on the tube application, ensuring the optimized presentation and holding for full penetration welding in the most demanding tube applications. Bead Conditioning. Many options are available and each has distinct advantages to prep the weld bead on both the outside diameter and inside diameter. Bead conditioning can include grinding as well as scarfing, milling, or nicking. Each bead conditioning method can be selected for their appropriate application, considering the tube material, method of welding, whether it is inside or outside of the tube being conditioned, as well as the production speed of the tube mill. Full body annealing or normalizing. Typically used on stainless materials, this process is driven by the specific application or end use of the tubing or pipe. FormTech has worked with numerous heat treating manufacturers to integrate this vital process to meet customers' needs. Double Turk's head. The Turk's head is the final calibration in bringing the tube to proper diameter or shape specifications. The operator has the ability to compensate for any variations upstream regarding this characteristic. Residual stress from welding and reshaping can cause vertical bowing and twisting of the tubing. The Turk's head straightens the round or shaped tube to eliminate vertical bow, horizontal camber, and twisting by applying opposing forces on the tube to counteract residual stresses left over from the forming, welding, and reshaping. Cutting. Whether it is a single cut shear, double cut, dimple-free cutoff, or a saw, FormTech has the ability to utilize all possible cutting technologies and can help select the appropriate design based on the application and production requirements. As a member of the FormTech Group and as an experienced designer, builder, and integrator of tube mill systems, Yoder will work with you to develop the solution-based mill for your application, ensuring a system of the highest quality and productivity. Your system will be supported for years to come by our experienced aftermarket department, assisting you with training, spare parts, and engineering.